Welcome back. This is 5 Canadian Acres and I'm Kayla, and today my daughter Scarlett and I are out in our cucumber patch and we're going to be picking all the cucumbers. Well, as many that are ready because we're pretty close to our first frost here this fall. What did you find? That's a big one.
Yes, it is a very big one.
So as you can see, the leaves are starting to turn yellow. There's still flowers on, but with our cold nights now, everything's just really slowed down.
Trying to pick the big ones.
Just pick them all. Anything?
Like anything? Like even
that's
this?
a pickle. Yeah, anything that's a pickle size. These ones are actually really big. Anything that is the size of a pickle or bigger, we're gonna pick, okay?
Okay.
Another thing you've heard me mention is burpless. So what burpless means is that they have this smooth skin. Otherwise, most of them have the little bumps or what's called spines.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see next.
Scarlett, look how big these ones are.
Look how big this one is.
Wow, that's gonna make a nice yummy pickle.
Oh, yeah, it is. Definitely this one. What is this? Like, damn, it looks like a rectangle. Mine, look. It's like a rectangle.
Oh my gosh, that's so weird.
Damn, I'm so glad I put on a sweater.
Yes, I know. It's definitely sweater weather. Brr.
Well, no, not because
Although-
I'm cold. Because, like, I'm touching the leaves and they're spiky.
That's true too. It's gonna get sunny here in a second.
Oh my god, I almost missed this one. And you too. What, I see another one I missed. Okay. Gonna have to go back in.
Here's a perfect pickle. Perfect pickle.
Let me see. I got one of that, but look at this one. Ooh. There's also another one down here.
Those size are nice to cut into the quarters where you do like the quarter pickle things. We're gonna need more bins. Big, why are you so big?
Mommy. Why? Why are you misshaped? Why are they misshaped and why they're so funny?
I think it has to do
It's the growth cycle.
yeah,
Da-da-da-da.
fertilization or
Mommy, you make me upset.
water. What?
You missed that one.
Which one? Oh, this one right here.
Yeah, how can you not do that,
I didn't
Mom?
even look up high enough, I guess.
No.
Missed you. Gotcha. Oh, look at this one here too.
You make me very, very mad. There's a lot of big ones.
I know. That's all right.
Got small, got
We'll
medium,
sort them.
got giant.
We need to make more relish, so.
What you talking about? Oh.
Peekaboo. I see you. Lots down here.
Why are there so much big ones?
Because we haven't picked in a long time. We need to pick a lot more frequently. But we've just been busy.
Like, I keep finding big ones, and they're just hanging there like, bro, stop. Are you okay, bro? Tell me, are you okay, son?
Oh my god, that's heavy.
It is. Oh my god, you're already up here.
No, yeah. So there's many different varieties of cucumbers. These ones are what's called a pickling cucumber. So they're bred to be the size of a pickle. Of course, they will grow bigger if you let them. You see over here, we've got some massive ones that just haven't been picked. Of course, these are still edible. Better, the skin gets really tough, so you need to peel them, or you can use them for bread and butter pickles. Or you just let them keep growing, and once they get a bit of coloring on them, you can go ahead and save that for seeds.
I guess what I found.
What did you find in here?
Is that it? And or is it half of a donut?
Looks like half a donut. So up here we planted what are called slicing cucumbers. Now these cucumbers are like the long English ones you find in the store. And you want them to grow big.
Yes, very big, like that one right there.
Yeah. Let's see, like, there's some more big ones over here. The big one there. I know. We got lots. Look at this one, Scarlet. Oh my gosh. There's a big one right there. Of course, there's dual purpose ones. Those are ones that you can pick when they're smaller for pickling or let them grow longer for slicing. Again, it's all just a personal choice and what works best for you. And there's also what I like to call specialty varieties of cucumbers. So these are the, remember what those are called?
Cucamelons.
Cucamelons, also known as the Mexican sour gherkin or mouse melons. And these actually have grown really well for us. We've been snacking on these for a while.
And we all love them.
And then over here we have what's called a lemon cucumber. And
They look very weird.
they do look kind of weird, but they're just a round yellow cucumber. And they have a little bit of a citrusy, light, refreshing flavor, I find. I also planted these Armenian cucumbers, but they're just starting to grow. Like, they'll grow a foot or two in length. So I probably will not get any mature ones of those this year. Oh, it does kind of look like a peanut.
You think of a peanut?
Yeah.
It looks like one.
That's cool.
Looks like a lemon.
Yeah, they're very prolific, these cucamelons. And they've grown way up tall.
Very tall. Actually,
But we'll be growing lots of these again because they're a great little snack.
Mommy, it looks like actual watermelon.
I know. So here's the final haul we got. Now what we like to do is sort them. So I'll take all the small ones and we're gonna make some pickles with those. And then ones that get a little bit bigger like this, we like to just quarter them to make pickled spears. And even these ones that got a little oversized, they make really good bread and butter pickles or relishes. And then of course, anything that's damaged will feed to the pigs. And this guy right here, because he's super mature and starting to yellow, I'm actually going to be saving the seeds from him. So there's our cucumber harvest. This is probably about our 4th harvest of this size. We've made lots of pickles and all that kind of stuff. If you guys have any recipes about how you like to preserve your cucumbers, put them in the comments below and I will try them. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.